Replacing a door can greatly enhance the security, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic of your home. However, finding the right door replacement service is crucial to ensure a smooth installation and long-lasting results. With so many options available in West Jordan, it's important to know what to look for in a service provider. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to find the best door replacement services in West Jordan. Start with recommendations and reviews. Word-of-mouth recommendations are one of the best ways to find a trustworthy door replacement service. Ask friends, neighbors, and family members if they have recently replaced a door and if they were satisfied with the service. Their first-hand experiences can provide valuable insights into the professionalism, punctuality, and overall quality of the work. Additionally, take the time to read online reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Look for recurring themes in reviews, such as praise for timely service, quality workmanship, and excellent customer support. Steer clear of companies with numerous negative reviews or unresolved complaints. Check for licensing and insurance. It's important to work with a door replacement service that is properly licensed and insured. Licensing indicates that the company meets local and state requirements and follows industry standards. Insurance protects both you and the company in case of accidents or damages that may occur during the project. Always ask for proof of licensing and insurance before making your decision. Working with a licensed and insured service provider gives you peace of mind, knowing that your project is in capable hands and that you're protected from potential risks. Assess experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to door replacement. A company with years of experience in the industry is more likely to have the expertise to handle a variety of door types, materials, and installation challenges. Ask about their track record, including how long they've been in business and whether they specialize in the type of door you need, such as entry doors, patio doors, or interior doors. Experienced professionals can handle unique challenges, such as irregular door frames or complex installations, with precision and care. Their expertise ensures that your door is installed properly and functions smoothly. Evaluate the range of products offered. The best door replacement services in West Jordan will offer a wide selection of high-quality doors from reputable manufacturers. When choosing a service, ask about the types of doors they carry, including materials, wood, fiberglass, steel, etc., styles, and finishes. Having a variety of options allows you to choose a door that matches your home's architecture, enhances curb appeal, and meets your specific needs. A service that offers customizable options, such as different hardware finishes or glass inserts, can further help you achieve the perfect look and functionality for your home. Ask about their installation process. Understanding the company's installation process is crucial to making an informed decision. Ask how they measure and prepare for the installation, what steps they take to ensure proper sealing and alignment, and how they handle cleanup after the job is done. A reputable company should provide a detailed overview of their process and address any questions or concerns you may have. The right installation process ensures a snug fit, proper sealing, and optimal performance of your new door, minimizing drafts, leaks, and security risks. Get a detailed estimate before hiring a door replacement service. Request a detailed written estimate that outlines the costs of materials, labor, and any additional services. Transparent pricing helps you understand exactly what you're paying for and allows you to compare quotes from different providers. Be wary of unusually low prices, as they may indicate low-quality materials or poor workmanship. A reputable company will provide a clear and honest estimate, with no hidden fees or surprises. Inquire about warranties and guarantees. Top-quality door replacement services offer warranties on both the product and their workmanship. A warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that you're protected if issues arise after installation. Ask about the terms and coverage of their warranties, including what is covered and for how long. Companies that stand behind their work are more likely to deliver high-quality results and address any potential issues quickly. Prioritize customer service. From the initial consultation to the completion of the project, the company should be responsive, respectful, and attentive to your needs. Pay attention to how they communicate, whether they listen to your concerns, and how well they answer your questions. Excellent customer service indicates that the company values your satisfaction and is committed to delivering the best results. Make the right choice for your West Jordan home. Finding the best door replacement services in West Jordan doesn't have to be overwhelming. By focusing on experience, licensing, product quality, and customer service, you can ensure a smooth, hassle-free installation process that meets your needs and enhances your home's security, efficiency, and curb appeal. Take the time to research and compare different providers, and you'll be rewarded with a high-quality door that transforms your living space for years to come. Trust a reliable professional to get the job done right, and enjoy the benefits of a beautiful, functional, and well-installed door.